Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the ESIM change now. Confirm your device supports ESIM and log into your Vodafone account so you can request a conversion. Once done, open Vodafone app or My Vodafone web portal and select the option to switch to ESIM. You'll choose an existing plan or request an ESIM profile. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and your phone is charged to avoid interruptions. You're initiating the request because the carrier must generate an activation QR or code tied to your account. Once Vodafone sends the ESIM QR or activation code, go to your phone's cellular settings and choose Add ESIM, scan the QR or enter the activation code manually. You'll see the network profile download and a prompt to label the line and set voice/data priorities, so select which line is primary if you keep a physical SIM. Be patient. Profile installation may take a minute. After installation, the phone will register on the Vodafone network. If it doesn't, toggle airplane mode and retry the connection. You finish by testing calls, SMS, mobile data, and voicemail to confirm the ESIM works. Make a short call and load a web page. If something fails, restart the phone, rescan the activation QR, or remove and re-add the ESIM profile. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi during activation. If still unsuccessful, contact Vodafone support with your account and EMEI information. Also, keep the physical SIM active until you verify full service, so you can revert instantly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.